Hey guys, we'll get started in about a minute. All right, it's 6 o'clock and we'll get started right now. So this is the last lesson for this pre-algebra class. This is the last unit. We're gonna cover the lesson unit 15 today. After I go over where we left off last time, the remaining stuff for unit 14. So I'm just gonna breeze through that. All right, so last time we left off with this example. 5 women and 4 men are at a party. If no 2 men shake hands, but each woman shakes hands with each other person, then how many total handshakes are there? All right, so 5 times 4 divided by 2 equals 10. So this is the amount of times each woman shakes hands with each other. So if you first multiply 5 times 4, you're gonna get 20, but that's when each woman shakes hands with each other twice, and we want it once. So we just divide by 2 and we get 10. And then no men shakes hands with each other. So we find how many times each woman shakes hands with each man. So there are 5 women. Each woman shakes hands with the other 4 men, and we get 20 times. And then we just add these up. So 10 plus 20 equals 30. So there are 30 handshakes total. All right, we're gonna skip these. All right, probability. So it is how likely something will happen. Pretty self-explanatory. So the number of successful outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. So on a 6-sided dice, how likely is it that I will roll a 6? So there are 6 possibilities, 1 through 6, and one possibility produces a 6. There's only 1 6 on the 6-sided dice. So if all outcomes are equally likely, then the probability of success is 1 out of 6. And this only works when the outcomes are equally likely. So on a 6-sided dice, each outcome, each side is equally, each side are the same size. So each outcome will be equally likely. All right, here's another example. So a standard deck of cards has 52 cards divided into 4 suits, each of which has 13 cards. 2 of the suits are red and the other 2 are black. If the cards in the deck are placed in random order, usually by a process called shuffling. You guys know that. So what is the probability that the top 2 cards are both red? So what we want to do here is we want to find the probability of each outcome. So there are 52 possibilities for the first card and 51 possibilities for the second, because once we pick a card, we lose that card for the next probability, next possible outcomes. So there are 26 possibilities for the first card and 25 possibilities for the second. It's 26 because half of the cards are red. Yeah, half the cards are red, and if we pick a red card, then we lose a red card. So that's how we get the 25 for the next one. So this is really 26 over 52 times 25 over 51, and this equals 25 over 102. And I would not simplify this. No, I would. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna assume that's an accident. So yeah. So when you multiply these, you should simplify this. You should simplify the top and the bottom first, and that's how you get 25 over 102. So once again, you're multiplying. Here's the last example. Suppose we have 2 fair 6-sided dice, so two dice, numbered from 1 to 6. If we roll them both, then what is the probability that the 2 numbers shown sum to 7, add up to 7? So for this one, we want to make a table or a chart right here. This looks pretty similar to the multiplication times table, but here it's addition. So as you can see here, if we have a 1 here and a 1 here, we get 2. So we roll a 3 and we roll a 4, that equals 7. So as you guys can see, there are 36 total possibilities for sums. Some of the sums occur more than once. 4s occur 3 times, 5 occur 4 times, but the 7s occur the most. 7s occur. There are 6 possible ways they add up to 7 in a dice, and there are 6 ways. So we count up the 7s, and that equals 6. 6 divided by 36. That simplifies to 1 over 6. So the probability that the two numbers shown will add up to 7 is 1 out of 6. And that concludes this unit. Okay. And lesson 15, this is our last unit. All right. Okay. So this unit is all about problem solving strategies. There wasn't a presentation already. I'm not sure. Wait, what are you talking? I'll check later. I'm not sure what you're talking about. All right. Find a pattern example. So what is a 2010th letter in the sequence below? So A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A, and so on. So we see a repeating pattern. So A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A. And this pattern sequence is repeated every 9 letters. So after the last 8 repeats again and again and again. So we don't want to count all the way to the 2010th letter. That's going to take you forever. So here's what we want to do. So since it repeats every 9 letters and there are 210 letters in the sequence, we want to divide 2010 by 9, and that equals 223 remainder 3. So for these problems, you guys want to ignore the actual quotient. So just ignore the 223. All we care about is the remainder, because so the remaining 3 letters are A, B, and C. So remainder 1 is A, remainder 2 is B, and remainder 3 is C. So that means C is the 2010th letter. And this works for any type of problem that's like this. Here's some examples. So what is the units digit, ones digit of 2 to the 2011th power? So we see a pattern for the ones digit. The pattern repeats every 4 digits. So here we have 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, all powers of 2. And when we just focus on a units digit, we see this pattern, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, and this repeats again and again. So we use the same method as we did the last time. So there are 2011 numbers, and it repeats every 4 digits. So 2011 divided by 4 has a remainder of 3. Notice here I didn't put the quotient. That doesn't matter. We don't care about that, and we just care about the remainder. So remainder 1 is 2, remainder 4 is 3, remainder 1 is 2, remainder 2 is 4, and remainder 3 is 8. So the ones digit will be 8 in this number. All right, in the figure below, each row of asterisk has 2 more asterisks or stars than the row above it. Altogether, how many asterisks are contained in the first 30 rows? So we can find a pattern here also. So if you guys notice here on the right. So in the first row, there's 1. If we add up the first 2 rows, it's 4. First 3 rows is 9, and so on. But if you notice here, the sums, they are all perfect squares. So 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared. So that means if we keep adding up all the way to the 30th row, we're gonna get 30 squared equals 900. So altogether, there are 900 stars in all 30 rows. Once again, this is a lot easier than you actually adding up all of these stars. All right, here's only one challenge problem. I want to try to get through all of this today. So It takes exactly 74 colored beads on a string to make a necklace. Yada, yada, yada. Same method as we did on the last two slides. So I'll give you guys about 5 minutes to solve this. Type in your answers into the chat, and I'll answer any questions. Weddings, what are you talking about? Ethan, you have a question? All right, never mind. Yeah, Jeffrey, we were missing you last time. By the way, when we played Kahoot, everybody was copying your name. So just to let you know. Wait, what's clamming? Oh, that's cool. I guess that's a Seattle thing. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a little more time because I realize we don't have 14 slides today, so we're gonna have enough time. I'll give you guys about 3 more minutes. I don't think I need to display the chat. Everybody can see it already. As long as you guys aren't spamming, I'll leave it open. All right, 1 more minute. You guys did pretty well on this. $11 does not equal 1. What are you guys talking about? Wait, I don't get it. No, I don't get it. All right, well, I'm going to go over this one. So it takes exactly 74 colored beads on a string to make a necklace. The beads are strung in the following order: 1 red, 1 orange, 2 yellow, 1 in green, and 1 blue. Then the pattern repeats, starting again with 1 red bead. If the first bead of the necklace is red, what is the color of the last bead used to make the necklace? So we use the same method as we did before. So there are 74 total beads, and the pattern repeats every 6 beads. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So that adds up to 6. So 74 divided by 6, that equals 12, but we don't care about that. We just care about the remainder, and it has a remainder of 2. So a remainder 1, it gives us a red bead, and remainder 2 gives us an orange bead. So the answer is an orange bead. All right, the next method is making a list. So find a 2-digit positive integer with all these properties. All right, the tens digit is larger than the ones digit, units digit. The difference between the digits is greater than 3. The sum of the digits is greater than 10, and the integer is a multiple of 12. So we want to make a list of all of these. All right, so first we want to find all the, let's start with the integers that are a multiple of 12. So 12, 24, 36, and so on, all the way to 96, because all of these are 2-digit positive integers. The next multiple will be a 3-digit, so we don't want that. All right, next up we want the difference between the digits is greater than 3. So that 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4, all of these integers are out. 4 minus 8, that's also out. Oh, sorry. We'll go with this one first. All right, so the tens digit is larger than the ones digit. All right, you guys are talking too much. I'm shutting it down. All right, sorry guys. All right, the tens digit is larger than the ones digit. So in 12, 24, 36, and 48, all of these numbers have a units as a ones digit that is larger than the tens digit. So all of these are out. So we are left with 60, 72, 84, 96. The difference between the digits is greater than 3. So 60, 72, and 84, all of those differences are greater than 3, but 9 minus 6 is 3, so that doesn't count. So that's out. And the sum of the digits is greater than 10. So 60 is out, 72 is also out, because this equals 9 and this equals 6, but 8 plus 4 is 12. So only 84 has digits that add up to more than 10. So the only number here is 84. So in this strategy, we want to write down every possibility first. And then once we get more information, we want to whittle it down until we get our answer, which is 84. So we want to start with the most general ones first. The integer is a multiple of 12. That's the most general. Then we go back to the top. In this case, that's the second to least. That's the second most general. And then we break it down even more. We keep going down the list to the most general, and we're left with 84. Yeah, it would have helped. I just copied it from the book directly, and that's the order they put it in. I don't know why, but I guess that's a good strategy to use. You guys can move around information when you guys read a problem. You guys don't have to go in order of the information they give you. All right. Here are more examples. So a partition of a positive integer n is a way of writing n as the sum of positive integers in which the order of the numbers in the sum doesn't matter. So for example, the partitions of 3 are 3, 2 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 1. We don't write 1 plus 2 because the order doesn't matter. We still have 1, 1, and 1, 2. So there's only 3 partitions of 3. How many partitions of 6 are there? So for this one, we want to make a list, and we want to go in order from biggest to least, greatest to least. So let's start with the easy one, 6, obviously. Then we have 5 plus 1. 1 plus 5 is the same thing as this, so we don't count that. This is the easiest way to do it. This helps you keep it organized and to not get lost. So this is the easiest way. But if you have an easier way, you can show me later. So then we go down to 4. So 4 plus 2, and we can break down the 2 to 4 plus 1 plus 1. So in this case, to keep it organized, we break down the smallest number. So 4 plus 1 plus 1. Then we go to 3. So 3 plus 3, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 plus 2, and so on. And then the last one, break it down to all ones. So we can see here that there are, we counted up, there are, oops. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 partitions of 6. I'm sure you can organize it an easier way, but you still want to make a list. All right, so here's a challenge problem. I'll give you guys about 10 minutes to solve this one. Okay, still on schedule. All right, so you guys want to make a list of the information. You guys want to keep breaking it down until you guys get the answer. Yeah, maybe there is a secret formula. I'll give you guys about 3 more minutes. All right, so I put there are a lot less slides on this PowerPoint than the other ones because I thought I was gonna run out of time, to be honest. So after we finish this unit, I'm gonna go back to the last unit, and I'm gonna give you guys a chance to do those challenge problems that I skipped. And then after that, we'll play our last Kahoot. Yeah, we'll still play Kahoot. Don't worry about that. Yeah, the Kahoot's still at 15. Oh no, I think it's just for this unit for lesson 15. Aiden, what did you send me? Yeah, I don't think I'm downloading that. Yeah, no, thank you. All right, one more minute, guys. I feel like I'm gonna get a virus if I download that. It's Big Bird the pedophile .png. I'm not opening that. All right, well, I'm gonna go over the answer right now. Oh, I think I saw that one, to be honest. All right, it's a meme. All right, if a number is divided by 3, the remainder is 0. So that means it is divided by 3. It's divisible by 3. If the number is divided by 5, the remainder is 4. The number is divided by 11, the remainder is 7. The number has 2 digits. Number has 2 digits. What is the number? So for this one, you guys want to start with the last piece of information they give you, because that can narrow it down. So if the number is divided by 11, the remainder is 7. So we want to find all numbers that all 2-digit numbers when divided by 11 has a remainder of 7. So to find this, we start with the number 7, and then we just add 11 to 7 and so on. So we get 18, 29, 40, 51, 62, so on, all the way to 95. And then we can whittle it down even more. So we go here. If the number is divided by 5, the remainder is 4. So if you guys remember, or you guys know, so every number that's divisible by 5, it ends with a 0 or a 5 or a 0. So if the remainder is 4, that means our number has to end in a 9 or a 4. That is 1 minus 5 minus 1 and 10 minus 1. So 9 and 4. So in our list of 18, 29, 40, 51, 62, 73, 84, and 95, only 29 and 84 have end in a 9 or a 4. So now we're down to 2 options. And now we use this last piece of information. If a number is divided by 3, the remainder is 0. So that means the number is divisible by 3. So 29 is not divisible by 3, but 84 is. So our number is 84. Okay, so next method is to draw a picture. Might seem a little childish or simple, but it works. So a frog is at the bottom of a 12-meter well. Each morning he climbs up 5 meters. Each night he slides down 3 meters. If he starts climbing on a Sunday, on which day will he reach the top of the well and escape? So here I drew this picture because I cannot find a picture online. So the frog starts here at the way at the bottom. So on the first day he goes up 5, and on the first night he slides down 2. So day night. So that's 1 whole day. All right. This is a whole day too. So it goes up 5, down 4, up 5, down 4, down 3. Sorry, down 3, up 5, down 3. Oh, did I say 2? Oh yeah, my bad. I meant 3. Slides down 3. So up 5, down 3, and so on. So this is 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and this is day 5. So we go from Sunday. So this is all right. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this is Thursday. But he'll reach the top of the well on Thursday. He is down there because he is a frog and he wants to. But if he can get out, then that's good for him. All right, here's another example. So Abel, Bernoulli, Cantor, and Descartes have a race. Bernoulli finished between Abel and Descartes. Cantor is happy that he didn't finish last. And Descartes bragged all day long about beating Abel. If no one finished between Cantor and Abel, in what order did the participants finish? All right, so this is not really a picture, it's more of a chart. Helps us keep it organized. Abel is out of the Bible. Descartes is a mathematician. I'm not sure about the other ones. Not to say the Bible is a myth, but yeah, never mind. I don't want to get there. I don't want to go there. All right. All right. Okay. So Cantor is happy that he didn't finish last. So we can cross out last place for Cantor. So we put an X right there. And Descartes bragged all day about beating Abel. So we know Cantor didn't finish last. And we know Descartes bragged all day about beating Abel, so he didn't finish last. And Bernoulli finished between Abel and Descartes. If he finished between these two, that means he beat one of them. So he didn't finish last. That means, well, Abel was last. Because Descartes beat someone, Cantor beat someone, Bernoulli beat someone, that means Abel is last place. Yeah, because he's not able, haha. All right, so we put a circle here. Actually, let me exit. I think this will make it easier. All right, this will take a while. All right, so we know Abel finished last. That means no one else can be last place. And that means he is not any of these places. All right. So if no one finished between Cantor and Abel finished 4th, that means Cantor finished 3rd. So once again, no one are these places. So we have Bernoulli and Descartes. So Bernoulli finished between Abel and Descartes. We know Bernoulli beat Abel, but that means he lost to Descartes. So, and there's only 2 people left. So that means Descartes won this race. And Bernoulli came in second. So that's how we solved this problem. Not very nice of Descartes to make fun of Abel, who already feels pissed about getting last. Yeah, that's not very nice. But if you guys win, don't brag about winning. That doesn't make you look good. And if you guys didn't read the Bible, or if you guys aren't Christian, Abel got killed in the Bible by his brother. So I guess he came in last in 2 ways. So sad for him. All right. A lumberjack can cut a log into 5 pieces in 20 minutes. How long would it take to cut a log of the same size and shape into 7 pieces? So you could do this problem without drawing a picture. But if you guys draw a picture, it makes it easier. Helps if you have something visual in front of you, it really helps. You don't have to keep everything in your head. So I'll give you guys about, this shouldn't take too long. I'll give you guys about 6 minutes. No, I will not give you guys 28 minutes. Oh, the answer. I'm so sorry. I'm bad. Hang on. Oh, Ethan said he said 28 minutes, and I thought he was talking about me giving you guys 28 minutes to solve this problem. Yeah, that was my bad. But Ethan, you're close. Like you're super close. All right, so guys, here's a hint. You guys want to find out how long it takes him to make one slice. Aiden, I'll open it later. It is not a decimal. All right, so a lot of you guys are getting 28. So I'm assuming you guys divided 20 by 5 and then multiply by 7. So that's good logic, but here's the thing. If he cuts it into 5 pieces, how many cuts are there? There's not 5 cuts. Yeah, so to make 5 pieces, there are 4 cuts, not 5 cuts. So And then how many cuts does it need? Does he need to make 7 pieces? All right, I'll give you guys how many minutes? All right, when did you guys start this problem? Give you guys about 30 more minutes. All right, I'm gonna go over this problem right now. Like, can you guys hear me? Okay, good. Said my internet was unstable for a second. I'm scared. Okay. So a lumberjack can cut a log into 5 pieces in 20 minutes. How long would it take to cut a log of the same size and shape into 7 pieces? All right, so here's the thing. You guys want to focus on cuts, not pieces. All right, so we have a log right here, right? So to make 5 pieces in 20 minutes, he needs to make 4 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means he spends 20 minutes on 4 cuts. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So that means he spends 5 minutes making each cut to make 5 pieces. Am I still lagging, guys? I'm getting kind of scared here. Okay. Ethan, I think that's just you. Everybody else says I'm not lagging. Yeah, maybe. Okay, not anymore. Okay, that's good. My teacher's Wi-Fi cut out today, so that sucks. All right, so we established that he needs 5 minutes per cut. All right, so how long would it take to cut a log of the same size and shape into 7 pieces? So to make 7 pieces, he needs to make not 7 cuts, he needs to make 6 cuts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The cuts split the log into 7 pieces. So he needs 6 cuts to make 7 pieces. Well, 6, he has 6 cuts. 6 cuts in 5 minutes. Oh my god. Per 1 cut. Cancel out the units. 1 cut, 1 cut. 6 times 5 minutes divided by 1 is 30 minutes. So a lot of you guys came out with 28 at first. So I knew what you guys did. You guys divided 20 by 5 to get 4. Then you guys multiplied by 7. You guys worked with pieces. He's not making the pieces. He's making the cuts to split the log into pieces. So yeah, if that part was a little confusing. Okay. All right, so our last method is working backwards. So Danielle chooses a number. She multiplies it by 3, then adds 6, then divides by 3, and finally subtracts 6. Her end result is 4. What number did she choose? So we want to work backwards. So we want to start with her answer, then we want to undo every single operation she does, and we want to find the starting number. So let's start with 4. It says our last step was subtracting 6. So the opposite of subtraction is addition. So we want to add 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Second to last step, she divides by 3. The opposite of that is multiplying by 3. So 10 times 3 equals 30. Before that, she adds 6. So we want to subtract 6. So 30 minus 6 equals 24. And her very first step was multiplying it by 3. So we want to divide by 3. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. So Danielle started with 8. And we can check if this works. 8 is her number. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. So we are correct. So for going backwards, you guys want to do every single operation. You guys want to do the opposite of every single operation she does. If she does addition, do subtraction, and vice versa. If she divides, you guys want to multiply, vice versa. All right, here's another example. The last example for this lesson. So the surface of a pond is being covered by oil leaking from a pipeline. The amount of surface area covered by the oil is doubling each day. At this rate, the surface of the pond will be completely covered with oil at the end of the 25th day. What fraction of the surface area of the pond will be covered by oil at the end of 20 days? All right, so before I even start the problem, this is an environmental problem. So this kind of makes me cringe. Oil in a pond, that's so bad. Kills a lot of animals. I just want to get that out of the way. All right, so we want to make a chart. So as you guys can see here, on the left side is days. On the right side is the amount, the fraction of the pond covered with oil. So 25th day, 24th day, 23rd day, and so on. So by the end of the last day, on the 25th day, the entire surface of the pond is covered with oil. So we represent that with 1. And it says it doubles each day. So instead of doubling it, we want to divide it by 2. So on the 24th day, we is 1/2. 23rd is half of this is 1/4. So on. Half of this is 1/8, 1/16, and 1/32. 1/32. So by the end of the 20 days, by the end of the first 20 days, 1/32 of the pond is covered with oil. Yeah, it says 20 days. So so this is the 25th day, 24th day, 23rd, 22nd, 21st. All the way at the bottom is the 20th day. Let me move this up a bit. Yeah. So there. Please load. I got my internet. Just give me a yes in chat. I really won't know. All right. So yeah. So there's 25 days total. We just care about the 20th day. So it is 1/32. Oh, this is bad. All right, how about now? Please say yes. Okay, good. I don't know what's wrong. All right, that's good. That's really sad. Hang on. I don't know why my Wi-Fi is so bad right now. Okay, well, that brings us to the last challenge problem of this unit. So suppose you enter an elevator at a certain floor, then the elevator moves up 6 floors, down 4 floors, and up 2 floors. You are then at floor 7. At which floor did you initially enter the elevator? So I'll give you guys about 5 minutes to do this one, because my lagging kind of cut off time. And not forever. I'm still gonna make you guys do the challenge problems from the past unit that we skipped. I don't think you guys need 5 minutes. I just realized how easy this problem was. All right, so am I still lagging now in any way? Okay, good. Am I frozen? I don't think. Wait, I don't think I'm frozen if I'm not lagging. Hey guys, am I frozen? My camera. All right, Jeffrey, I'm gonna have to punish you for that one. No, I'm kidding. Oh, it's because I thought you were joking with me because telling me I'm lagging when I'm not. But it's fine. Never mind. You're good. All right. So all of you guys got it. So, all right. Yeah, that's fine. All right. So all of you guys got it. I'm just gonna go over it. All right. So so we start at floor 7. The very last part of the problem, and we go backwards. So floor 7. Before that we went up 2 floors, so we want to go down 2 floors. So 7 minus 2 is 5. We went down 4 floors, so we want to go up. So 5 plus 4 is 9. And finally, or first of all, I went up, or this person went up 6 floors, so we want to go down 6 floors. So 9 minus 6 is 3. And now, so that's our answer. This person started at the 3rd floor, and we can go forwards to find out if our answer is correct or not. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, and that is our answer. All right, so this is the last. All right, so this is the last question for this unit, but we still have more time. We have about 13 minutes. So we're gonna go back to these. Oh, I think this is what you're talking about, the wedding. Yeah, that's not mine. Yeah. You guys can see all my other tabs though. YouTube, Shakespeare. Yeah, I know all you guys know how to count. uh, Watching class videos that my teacher made me watch. Okay, so which one do I want? Which one do I want to do? Yeah, I'll do this one. So if you guys ever play poker, this is useful. But don't gamble, guys. Please stay away from that. All right, so consider a standard deck of 52 cards. The deck is randomly arranged by shuffling, I guess. What is the probability that the top card is an ace, the top card is a face card, the Jack, Queen, or King, the top card is black, and the second card is red, and the top 2 cards are both aces? So I'll give you guys about up until 7:12 to solve these. So about 8 minutes. Jeffrey, so we're not sending you guys the slides anymore because Cloud Classroom doesn't wants to avoid a copyright or any fear of that. So Emily's gonna send you guys the lesson summary, which is basically like a short version of my slide. Yeah, so you're not missing anything. All right, so an ace is like that thing, like basically the A. All right, if you guys look in the book actually got this wrong. The book says there are 13 aces in the deck of cards. That's wrong. There are only 4 aces. Yeah, so in the deck of cards, yeah, there's half of the cards are red, half the cards are black. Fairwing, you didn't receive. Wait, what's the note you're talking about? Is it a class summary? If you guys didn't receive anything, just type in your emails into the chat, and or you guys can email Cloud Classroom to ask for it. I'm talking about if you guys are missing any like class summaries or slides or anything like that, just ask Cloud Classroom and they can send you guys the slides or the summaries. Yeah. All right, Farron. Can you email? Yeah, can you email Cloud Classroom? I can send you the email if you want their email if you don't have it. Yeah, that's the only challenge problem. Yeah, I see you guys typed in so many answers. It's kind of hard to keep track. All right, I'm gonna try to do this. Can you guys keep your answers in fractions? Yeah, I should have asked you guys to put all your answers into one chat, but it's too late for that. Don't worry about it. Okay, yeah, I lost track of pretty much all you guys' answers. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna go over it right now. So you guys won't know if you guys got it right or not. All right, so consider a standard deck of 52 cards. The deck, yeah, you guys know the card. All right, so the top card is an ace. So there are clubs, spades, hearts, and diamonds, and those are the 4 types. Oh my god, my internet. Am I lagging, guys? Okay, whatever. You're gonna just tell me in the chat. All right, so okay, so there are 4 types of cards or sets of cards. So clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. So that means there are 4 and there's 1 ace per section of cards, per group of cards. So it's 4. So 4 divided by 52 is 1/13. Oh my god, I'm just gonna wait this out. Oh, okay, my video, as long as my audio is fine, then it's good. All right, so this is 1/13. So for the first one, okay, the top card is a face card. So there are 3 face cards per group of cards. So 3 times 4 is 12. So 12/52, that equals 1/1. No, yeah, that equals 3/13. Yeah, sorry guys. That equals 3/13, and that's the answer for the second one. Okay. The top card is a black, and the second card is red. All right, so there is a 26/52 chance, or a 1/2 chance of having a black card. The second card is red. There's also time. Well, we lose 1 card, we lose a black card, so there's 51 cards total. You guys didn't have to simplify it, but it would have been easier. So the second one is red. There are 26 red cards and 51 cards total. So 26 divided by 102. Yeah, I lost a card because the black, I already picked the black card. Yeah. So if I divide by 2, this equals 13/51. Am I still lagging, guys? I'm pretty worried. So the answer is 13/51. It's terrible. All right. So the top 2 cards are both aces. Okay, so aces I'm just gonna breeze through this. All right, so there are 4 ways out of 52 to choose an ace times 3 over 51. If you guys simplify this, this becomes 1 over 221. So this is the last one. All right, yeah, I know I'm lagging, guys. I'm sorry, I don't know what's happening. Well, this is the last challenge problem ever. All right, so I'm gonna hand it over to Emily now, and we're gonna play the last Kahoot of pre-algebra. All right, I'll unmute you guys also. Kyle, how'd you get your name like that? That kind of scares me. All right, you guys can unmute yourself now.
Yay!
I name, if you search up weird text generator, there's
you can always just do fancy font generator.
Weird text generator.
Copy
okay.
and paste. And then just
when you typed that, I actually thought like my screen was lagging that bad. So you kind of scared me.
No, it's not. I actually did a different text font too. Like I can do a lot of different fonts.
That's cool.
I do it every time. Has no one noticed?
No, I've noticed it.
That's just
a lot of you guys have creative names. All right, I'm assuming I'm not lagging anymore, right?
Yeah, you're not lagging anymore for me.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna copy Jeffrey in a way, but not in a way. It's in a way, but not in a way.
I'm real Jeffrey, guys. I'm real Jeffrey.
I don't know what to put my name
I
as.
copied Jeffrey in a way, but not in a way.
Yeah, you're Jeff's friend. I get that. Who said hashtag save Jeffrey? Who wants why? I'm not even in danger.
Whoever wants to do that, put that on.
No way. Someone get
hashtag save Jeffrey out of the way.
Okay, don't start it yet. I need to do it again. I left. Oh no. Yes.
Just put Ethan's friend.
How do you leave? I've never figured that out.
And no one can copy you. Just put Ethan's friend and no one will copy you.
You like my name?
No.
Well, thanks.
Jeffrey's
Considering since it's the last day to show my face, but I'm still considering it.
No one can copy this. No one can copy
Why
this.
can't you just show your
I
face?
can still copy it. It's not that hard.
Everybody show your face to the world.
I'm not showing my face until I'm ready, okay? Actually, if someone else does it, everyone does it, I'll do it.
You guys can all show your faces at
What's
the end.
SPD? What's SPD? What the heck is SPD?
What is FD?
Seattle Police Department.
Oh my gosh, we love Seattle Police Department. Yeah, sure, we can all love
Totally.
Seattle.
You guys have some crazy stuff going on here.
Yeah, right now everyone hates the police.
What is a problem solving strategy?
I'm not gonna get into that right now. That's
Drawing hands. Totally.
Eating cake or sleeping.
Hey, actually, drawing hands does work, and sleeping.
It does, but no, sleeping doesn't work.
Yeah, it does.
Cake works.
Sleeping enhances your brain power. Hey, when you guys get to high school, make sure to sleep. I know a lot of my classmates, they go to sleep at like 6 a.m. and they wake up an hour later.
And I'm only in middle school.
Eek. Hey.
Yeah, you guys. Well, you're gonna need a lot of sleep later. You guys are gonna miss sleep. So.
Oh, I'm so confused.
Someone's like just.
Oh wait, it's negative. Can it be negative?
This is the best way to solve math. Give it to your high school friend.
What?
And somehow make them do it for you.
Wait, it just answered for me. That's not fair. I was looking at the problem and I was just like, okay, you're gonna choose this now.
There was one time where I had 0 points and I got in 3rd place.
Yay! Come on, show your face, everybody. Catherine, Donald,
I will
Sarah,
never do that unless everyone else does.
you have to do it.
I
No.
have to do it, I'll do it.
Who picked
So I'm using a
negative
piece of
6?
paper to cover my face, okay?
What? Like, I'm the only person who went up.
Wait, I'm gonna go get a towel. I'm back. I don't know why there's a towel on the other
Everyone
chair,
chose
but there
another.
is, okay? Why do you
We can't
think
see your
I'm
face if
doing-
you have a towel.
I know, that's the point.
I
Don't you
have a
understand that?
perfect strat. So whenever like the home screen, like the screen where like it shows the question, you just solve it and then you can just click the answer right away. Big brain.
Okay. Very interesting. Oh my gosh, I was right. I'm so proud of myself.
We don't like SPD. No, actually,
Whenever I
kinda
don't know something, I just
We do,
guess.
but
Oh
we don't.
my god.
What? 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 What?
Ba, 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 ba. Catherine, show us your toweled face.
My towel
Yeah,
face.
we're waiting,
Sure, I'll show you my towel face.
Wow, this is gonna look
This
really
is my
weird.
toweled face. Don't judge me.
Oh,
What's
God.
that?
I didn't know my camera was still on, okay? I'm just gonna try to. Now I'm stuck in this position and I don't know how to get out of it.
Dude, what the heck?
This is so bad. I
What? I
think
didn't
I'm
see.
not moving. I'm just putting this towel over my face until I'm ready. Oh, and now I can see.
Now, when are
Okay,
you?
there. That was
When are
really
you gonna
bad.
be ready? When are
I'm
you gonna be ready
I'm
to pick up the towel?
I'm confident that I will win this time.
No,
You are
I'm
not
confident.
confident.
in myself.
Actually, you are. I
Did you
believe
guys
you're
know that-
confident, but I don't believe you're confident at this
If you
stage.
never want to
I
fail, just
am
set your
confident. I'm
self-esteem
so
and like
confident.
expectations
You guys
to
will,
0,
like-
then you'll never fail.
Look, guys, second place is like 1,600 points behind me.
Largest
Oh my.
number to smallest number. What?
What's that mean?
What? What does this thing mean?
Does anybody know what this means? I'm so confused.
I'm guessing. I'm so far up that
Did
I can-
anybody go to Newport Heights last year?
No.
No one went to Newport Heights?
I guessed it correctly.
I guessed it correctly too. Oh my goodness. You're
What
such
the
a smarty pants.
What is
You
the
are
answer
smarty
to this
pants.
thing?
I
I'm
am
like 2,000
Remember,
points
that's how you
behind
find how many items there are.
I don't.
I'm so oh my god.
Oh gosh.
Oh!
Thing is easy. I tell you guys.
You're
No
easy.
No,
calculator.
you just have to look at the last 2 digits.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I do that a
That
lot
is
of the
true, huh?
time. But then I always get the questions wrong, so.
This is easy because I
You're
already
drinking water now. Haha.
easy
Oh,
dub.
let me guys tell you a weird story about Kahoot. Okay, so my class was playing a Kahoot, and then like you know how sometimes it says like random messages when it's like loading like classroom perfection, that stuff. And I'm like, is it possible to be classroom perfection? And then a
Wow.
guy
I was
who was in
learning.
the meeting with me was like, maybe I am. I was
Yeah.
like, no.
I
I have a
clicked
feeling
the
I know the right answer to this. I have a
If
feeling.
I
it's
put my
I'm
answer down.
hungry, if it's I'm hungry, I'm giving this thing a bad
You guys better not pick triangle.
Yay!
Oh, one person picked triangle. Okay, it's fine.
Oh my god. I picked I'm hungry because I am hungry right now.
What?
Yay!
What was the podium? Wow.
I had a feeling I knew the right answer. Like, dude, what's the right answer? Like, okay, that's the wrong. That's
I'm
not
up
right.
by 2,000 points. This is the best victory I ever had.
This,
Okay,
that's
if you guys show
not-
your faces, I will show my face because I'm just that nice.
All right, let's show our
Sorry, guys.
faces then, if you guys
That's
want.
not. That's not how you're.
I really don't. I
Look
don't
at
want to show my face at all.
putting putting the question on a quiz is not exactly how to ask people how they
Yeah,
feel
because there's
about
only one right answer, and you can't.
There's
Oh my
no
gosh, you
like.
guys are actually doing it.
This is so weird. I'm seeing you guys'
half of you
faces for the first time in a month.
Kyle, turn on your
I have no
camera.
idea what you guys look like. This is crazy.
Go owls! Go owls! Owls!
Go green! I mean, go gold. Sorry.
Go green!
Go
Half of you
gold.
guys do it, I'll do it.
Gold.
But only if half of you guys.
Oh.
Catherine, I'm not ending this chat until we see.
Gold.
I'm not ending it until we see
you're
her face.
so mean.
Stay
Then
on
I'm
the
just gonna
camera.
leave.
Gold.
It's still 7:26. I got 4 minutes.
You got 4 minutes to show your faces, guys.
Go green! Go green! Go green! Go green!
Guys,
All right, no scamming.
don't
you
spam, dude.
I'm spamming.
You can't.
Hey! Wait a minute.
Ethan, dude, don't spam, or else he closes the chat.
I think Cloud Classroom says something in the chat.
Congratulations.
All right, they said, hope you guys had good achievements in the past weeks.
Yes, I did.
Catherine, we're not eating until you show your face right now.
Oh,
Show us.
you guys are so mean to me.
Show us.
What's wrong with your
Show
face?
us.
Everything.
Oh, you tell something that's wrong with your face.
Because my hair is really gross right now.
Yeah, mine too.
Just washed it. Like, it feels really gross. I don't know why.
So
Probably
what?
because-
Wait, if you're the right Catherine, I had you as a second grade classmate before.
Wait, whose class were you in second grade?
What school were you in second grade?
Somerset.
Oh, never mind.
Yes, you're not my classmate. I'm so good because I do
What
have
about
a Jeffrey.
third
I had
grade?
a Jeffrey in my second grade class, and I was like, what?
What about third grade?
In third grade, I was also in Somerset.
But
I've never left Somerset except for kindergarten.
Screw this.
oh
I'm
no,
trying
my
to live right
internet
next to
connection is
Somerset.
unstable. No.
When I turn
Show us
30, if
your
not half of you
face.
guys do it, I'm just leaving.
Okay, let's try something with the keyboard that many pros do when they get really mad. Okay, that was a bad idea.
The chat's
okay.
open again if you guys want to say
I will
something.
consider it.
Yay!
Do it.
Do it.
Everybody can turn on the camera.
Okay, and everybody else turns on their cameras
Thank
on.
you. See, Cloud Classroom says everybody should turn on their camera. Turn on your
Even
camera.
they
Hey,
agree.
that's if you guys want
It's
to.
so hot in the room
not
right
gonna
now. I'm
make you guys.
sweating so bad, and it feels weird. Why are people spamming colors? Please stop.
Go green. Go green.
What's wrong with green?
All my friends are in green.
You're green.
I mean, you're an exception.
I'm your friend?
No,
I don't even know you.
Ethan.
Ethan's not in green. Haha, Ethan, you're not in green.
I was
But I'm
hoping.
in gold.
If you guys turn on your
Yay.
cameras, I will.
I was
not
Catherine, we
going
have
to
one more
recorded-
minute.
I
We're
was
still
You guys
waiting.
have one more minute to do it, or else I'm not doing it. Actually, I might do it and then just leave.
You
You
cannot
can definitely leave.
You guys
You
have
don't
1 minute. The clock is ticking, guys. Hurry up. Actually,
Okay,
don't
we're
do
not-
it because I
The
don't.
class
know.
is not gonna
Just
end.
show us.
The class
I'll
is not
come
gonna
to
end until you
virtually.
show us your face. No matter if that's 10 days.
You
Hurry
are
up.
willing to sit here for 10 days? I'm just gonna wait for you guys all to
Bye.
like go away from your computers, turn it on, and then leave.
All right, well, thank you guys. If Catherine's not gonna show her face, I hope she still does.
What the heck?
Thank you
Why
guys.
is someone's name their virtual
Oh,
background?
there's Catherine.
You
Sorry,
saw
glasses.
her.
Yeah, you saw me now. Now you know what I look like. Actually,
like
my
you
hair
do
really cut
not
my
look like-
position at that point, so.
All right, well, thank you guys so much for joining this class for the last month. I think it was. So you guys were great students. You guys are
Jeffrey,
all very
stop
smart.
punching the camera. That's mean. I'm here. Are you guys happy now?
I'm still punching
we're
the
not.
All right, so
That was the
I'm pretty
most-
sure all you guys are going into middle school.
Yeah,
But,
we're all going to middle school.
Enjoy your
for
time.
photography.
Enjoy your time in middle school right now. You guys are
Wait,
gonna.
did anybody get their schedules? I want to know you guys' schedules.
When you
Oh,
guys
we
start
have
school?
our own schedules.
You guys
It
start
feels
school
like
next week.
I'm
Schedule.
punching
Oh
myself.
my schedule should be here now. I'm gonna go check my schedule now.
It feels like I'm punching myself because I'm looking at my own camera.
Wait, Jeffrey, are you in the BSD district? The Bellevue School District?
No, I'm in a private school.
Red-
Why are you in a private school? That's dumb.
They have better virtual.
That is true.
We mildly disagree.
Yes.
We disagree very
Come on.
strongly. I shall uppercut you.
Ow.
Da-
Why is it not letting me?
The thing is, I think gold is better because owls are not brown, green. They're gold. Okay?
No way.
Owls are not green.
Oh, I see
and
what
that's
I did.
true.
I
Have you
want to
ever
see what
seen
my
colors
schedule is
of
uploaded.
And
What? That's black.
lots of other things are green. Without green, we wouldn't be alive right now.
That is true.
Without
yellow, we
trees, how
wouldn't be
would we
alive right
live?
now either.
The leaves could be gold.
Yeah, they could technically be gold, but then they would just fall off. So
Yeah.
not good.
So that means we can live without gold bars, you know? Just
Yeah.
a few less billion
Okay,
dollars.
this is a big. I think we should make a TV show about this. Everybody.
Green
Oh,
versus
oh my
gold.
Okay, so my schedule has uploaded, and I'm so happy.
What?
Green versus gold. Who will win? Tonight's show is Ethan versus Jeffrey in a spamming contest.
Wait! I don't have PE this year. I don't know why.
Yay,
3,
good for
2,
you.
1, go.
Oh, but hooray!
All right, guys.
Get rid
I'm
of
about to
it.
end the chat and in the call about like right now. So
I have
Lagging.
science first thing in the morning.
I guess this is the
That's
last
not
time I'm
okay.
seeing you guys. I don't know. I'm gonna see you guys later.
You never have to see me again. It's so exciting.
We're never going to see you ever again.
And I'd
Maybe,
rather
I
it
don't
stay
know, we'll
like
see.
that.
You might
This
run
is
into me
sad.
sometime.
Unless I go to like California.
I'm
I
never
might
going to
visit
California
Seattle
ever again.
sometime in the future.
Who's
I'm not
typing
sure.
green? Who's typing green? The person who's typing green is my best friend.
You should go to Bellevue College. Then maybe you'll
Where's
run into
Bellevue?
me.
Wait,
You
what?
don't
Go to
know.
college?
I've never heard of Bellevue.
Okay,
I'm
go
going
search
to
it up right now.
Stanford.
You're going to Stanford. Have you even gotten in yet?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm going to Stanford. I'm applying though.
Go to Bellevue College. You don't even need to apply. You can just get in.
Really?
Because it's a
Is it like a private?
college.
My
No.
internet.
If you go into
Guys,
Bellevue
no.
College, you might.
Someone's spamming a school district. That means we have to spam our school.
Hey
I don't
everyone,
have PE this year. That's
can
so
you guys just like
exciting.
be quiet for a second and let Wesley say like a farewell or something since this is your last class?
I kind of already said a farewell, but
Okay,
Yeah,
cool. But
we're saying our farewell.
is everyone, can you guys just turn on your camera so we can have like a photo for like pre-algebra class, please?
How do you get like a photo for
Peace?
pre-algebra?
What do
Wait,
you
I
mean?
am not going to be on a picture. Come on.
oh, Jeffrey's black and white again.
You look so evil when you do that.
That's terrifying.
It is terrible.
Cindy, Daniel, Donald, Kevin, Matt, can you guys also turn on your cameras, please?
Is that Moby? I mean, is
I'm
that
seeing all you guys for the first time.
Dab? Dab on the.
Wait, is everybody camera on? Like, dude.
Gravity doesn't work
Everybody
in the world
turn
I am currently
backwards.
in.
Sophie! Everybody turn yourself backwards and then everybody will look good. I
Yeah,
promise
but-
you.
No, don't turn yourself backwards. I'm scary.
I don't know anyone here. I'm so happy.
Take a selfie, peeps.
How do you guys make
Hurry
yourselves
up.
upside down?
Because
Because
we're
we-
cool and we live in a different world. You
Gravity.
should just go to camera settings.
Washington State is a different world.
Canvas? Canvas? Do you have canvas?
Wait, how many people here live in California?
Well, there's me.
There's you, and I
I don't
think you're
think
the
anyone
only one.
else.
Can everyone like make their cameras right, not upside down, and I'm gonna take a picture of the street. Please.
Come on.
Okay,
Jeffrey.
bye.
So
Then-
sad.
I'm back to
My
normal.
friend
We're
took
back in the
pre-algebra
same
3 times. That's why she wouldn't
the
take it with me.
universe.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Say cheese.
Jesus.
Eggplants.
Thank you, guys.
All right, thank you guys. I'm about to end the chat now. Or
Okay,
the call.
bye. You will never see me
Bye.
ever again.
I'll see about that. All right, bye guys.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.
I'll see you
Yeah.
again.
Thank
What?
you.
I'll
You're welcome,
see
guys.
Jeffrey about what? I'll see Jeffrey tomorrow.